Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today's video is about words opposite, means words. Antonyms, you can say them antonyms. First is ability, inability. The opposite word of ability is inability. Happy, unhappy. Import, export. Interior, exterior. Maximum, minimum. Include, exclude. Junior, senior. Above, below. Majority, minority. Optimist, pessimist. Superior, inferior. Accept, refuse. Civilized, uncivilized, savage, barbaric. Big, small. Acquire, lose. Ancient, modern. Agree, disagree. Alive, dead. Barren, fertile. Admire, despise. Blunt, sharp. Bold, timid. Bright, dim. Broad, narrow. Care, neglect. Confess, deny. Cool, warm. Broad, narrow. Bold, timid. Clean, dirty. Cruel, kind. Domestic, wild. Difficult, easy. Dangerous, safe. Dark, bright. Death, birth. Debit, credit. Early, late. Earn, spend. Empty, full. False, true. Guilty, innocent. Fine, coarse. Freedom, slavery. Fat, thin. Foolish, wise. Fresh, stale. Fear, courage. Guilty, innocent. Gain, loss. Good, bad. High, low. Humble, proud. Arrogant. Honor, dishonor. Joy, sorrow. Knowledge, ignorance. Kind, cruel. Lie, truth. Little, much. Masculine, feminine. Make, break. Natural, artificial. Noise, silence. Oral, written. Pride or arrogance, humility. Presence, absence. Profit, loss. Prose, poetry. Quick, slow. Receive, give. Reject, accept. Ripe, raw. Rough, smooth. Remember, forget. Rich, poor. Sharp, dull. Tragedy, comedy. General, particular. Victory, defeat. Wild, domestic. Weak, strong. Wisdom, folly. Youth, aged. Give, take. Laugh, cry. Smile, frown. Buy, sell. Here, there. This, that. Never, always. Stop, start. Wrong, right. Tight, loose. Love, hate. Throw, catch. Yes, no. Forward, backward. Stand, sit. Lost, found.